Video Editing Crash Course, Transitions and Effects. Introduction. Video editing is not just about putting clips together, it's about creating a seamless visual experience that captivates the audience. Transitions and effects play a crucial role in enhancing the flow and impact of your videos. They add flair, style, and emotion, taking your storytelling to the next level. In this crash course, we will delve into the world of transitions and effects, exploring their significance and providing you with a list of the top 12 techniques to elevate your video editing skills. Exciting stories and examples. 1. The Crossfade Connection. Imagine a romantic scene where two lovers gaze into each other's eyes. A gentle crossfade transition can create a dreamy and seamless shift between their perspectives, emphasizing the emotional connection. 2. The Whip Pan Wonder. In an action-packed sequence, a whip pan transition can add a burst of energy and excitement. It creates a swift and dynamic shift, simulating a fast camera movement, and keeps the audience on their toes. 3. The Split-Screen Surprise. Picture a conversation between two characters happening in different locations. A split-screen effect allows you to showcase both perspectives simultaneously, highlighting their contrasting emotions or actions. 4. The Time Warp Twist. Time-lapse and slow-motion effects can alter the perception of time and inject a sense of awe into your videos. Whether capturing a sunset or a high-speed race, manipulating time can enhance the visual impact. 5. The Chroma Key Magic. Green screen or chroma key effects enable you to replace a solid color background with any image or footage. It's the key to unlocking limitless creative possibilities, transporting your subjects to imaginary worlds or historical eras. List and description of top 12 transitions and effects. 1. Fade in, fade out. The fade-in effect gradually reveals the image or video from darkness to full visibility, creating a smooth and subtle opening. The fade-out effect gradually fades the image or video to black, creating a gentle and elegant closure. 2. Crossfade. The crossfade transition blends two clips together by gradually fading out one while simultaneously fading in the other. It ensures a smooth and seamless transition between scenes. 3. Cut. The cut is the most basic and straightforward transition. It involves an instant shift from one clip to another, creating a sharp and direct change. 4. Dissolve. The dissolve effect involves a gradual transition between two clips, creating a soft and smooth blend. It gives a dream-like quality to the video and is often used in romantic or nostalgic scenes. 5. Slide. The slide transition moves one clip horizontally or vertically, revealing the next clip underneath. It adds a dynamic and engaging shift between scenes. 6. Zoom. The zoom effect enlarges or shrinks the image or video, creating a sense of focus or perspective. It can be used to emphasize certain details or to create a dramatic effect. 7. Whip pan. The whip pan effect involves a quick and fast camera movement, creating a blurred transition between scenes. It adds energy and excitement to action sequences. 8. Wipe. The wipe transition reveals the next clip by wiping it across the screen, either horizontally, vertically, or in a specific shape. It provides a distinct and eye-catching shift between scenes. 9. Split screen. The split screen effect allows you to show multiple clips simultaneously on the screen, often divided into different sections. It enables you to compare or contrast different perspectives or actions. 10. Time-lapse. The time-lapse effect speeds up the footage, compressing hours, days, or even years into a short sequence. It is commonly used to showcase natural phenomena or long-term processes. 11. Slow motion. The slow motion effect slows down the footage, stretching time and emphasizing details or movements. It adds drama, intensity, or a sense of grace to the visuals. 12. Chroma key. The chroma key effect involves replacing a specific color, usually green or blue, in the footage with another image or video. It allows for creative compositing and can transport subjects to different environments. Summary. Transitions and effects are essential tools in video editing, enabling you to create a seamless and visually captivating experience. Whether it's a simple fade or a complex split screen, each technique has its unique role in enhancing the storytelling process. By mastering these techniques, you can elevate your videos, capturing the attention and imagination of your audience. Poem. In the realm of video editing, we soar, where transitions and effects open a new door. With a fade in and fade out, stories commence. Crossfades blend seamlessly, the audience immersed. Cuts bring sharp shifts, scenes intertwine. Dissolves add a touch of nostalgia, oh so fine. Slides and zooms, they guide our gaze. Whip pans energize, like a vibrant blaze. Wipes create patterns, across the screen they glide. Split screens reveal tales, from multiple sides. Time lapses speed time, a world transformed. Slow motion unravels beauty, our hearts warmed. Chroma key unlocks realms, beyond our sight. A canvas of possibilities, colors shining bright. Each transition and effect, a visual tool we hold. Crafting stories untold, with creativity untold. Song. Verse 1. Fade in, fade out, a story's beginning. Crossfades blend, a seamless unveiling. Cuts sharp and direct, the rhythm is set. Dissolves gently sway, emotions connect. Chorus. Transitions and effects, they dance in the frame. Guiding our eyes, adding depth to the game. Slides and zooms, they paint a visual tale. Whip pans and wipes, in moments they exhale. Verse 2. Split screens divide, perspectives collide. Time lapses speed, capturing life's stride. Slow motion reveals, the beauty within. Chroma key unveils, worlds we've never been. Bridge. With every technique, a new story unfolds. A symphony of visuals, a masterpiece untold. In the realm of video editing, we explore transitions and effects, our creative lore. Chorus. Transitions and effects, they dance in the frame. Guiding our eyes, adding depth to the game. Slides and zooms, they paint a visual tale. Whip pans and wipes, in moments they exhale. Outro. So embrace these tools, let your creativity soar. In the world of video editing, forever explore. With transitions and effects, your stories will thrive. Captivating hearts, keeping memories alive. Ending note. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.